is an angel in our school, working with us every day. We are sad that you are not with us anymore, but we do believe that you are in a better place. We will deeply miss you, your smile, your presence in our class and in our school. Words are not enough to express our sorrows. On 16th of June 2023, you were with us in the class, but we never know that it will be the last. Now, looking over at the very place where you used to sit in, it looks so empty without you. Dear Maya, we will always remember you in our prayers. We will forever cherish the little time we had with you. You will forever be missed. Farewell to you with love, the staff and students, St. Peter's Primary Schools.